going on, YouTube? It's been a while since I posted a video, so figured I'd give an update and let y'all know what's going on. So I'm sure everybody remembers this truck, 1959 Mack B61. Fortunately, I really haven't done much to it. Still the same as the last video, still runs and drives. Haven't started it in probably 3 or 4 years, so maybe we'll do a video on that. Still all there. These are all the parts that I've changed on my cab over. Exhaust manifold, all new brakes, wheel studs. These are the old fuel tanks. Had new barrels made, and they use the original end caps because they're special to the Transtars. I'll explain a little bit more once we get to that. Once we get over to that truck, this is the exhaust off the other 4070. This is my 1981 4070. It was a factory glider that previous owner built. It was built with a 34068 cat. Came with no rears, no trans. So he built it into what you see now. It's a one owner truck. Has 704,000 original miles. This will be a project coming up here soon as well. Just gotta gather some parts for it. I'm planning on cutting this rear axle assembly out, since it's not original to the truck. It was a built glider, and putting a more modern running gear suspension under it. But she's complete. Body's in real nice shape. Besides a little bit of rot here. These trucks the cabs are aluminum. The only steel on the truck is obviously the footplate and the doors, but the doors are actually in pretty good shape as well. No real rot. It's in good shape. It's definitely a good candidate for some work. Next on the list is my 1981. This is no, 1980. My apologies. 1980 4070. This one came out of Ohio. Title, it's I guess a 3-owner truck. I'm the third, but it's swapped some hands. In between there, it was off the road for a number of years, probably about 15 if I remember correctly. And just recently, last year, got it back on the road. All new brakes, tires, drums, bearings, exhaust manifold, exhaust, fuel tanks, U-joints, drive shafts. The list goes on and on. Well, this is what I was talking about. The fuel tanks on these 4070s, they got the ribs on the back, and that's special to the 4070s. So these drums are new, and those are the factory end caps. The 34068 cat as well. All new drive shafts, airlines. Still got some work to do to it, but she's a running, driving truck. Drove it all the way out to Fort Wayne last summer for a truck show. She runs real good. And then we have this new guy. I don't know if any of you remember this truck. I owned it probably about 12, 13 years ago. It was a tractor that the new owner converted to a dump truck. The original frame ended here. They added up the back frame section and converted to a dump truck. So I'm going to move the axle back to its original spot. All the bolt holes are still there. And put it back to a tractor. It's a 2007 4400 with the big DT570 in it. It's got a blown head gasket currently, but we'll get that fixed up and probably start on the frame. Do all that work ourselves. Just got to take out this new section of drive line. This is the original drive line for the truck. So just take out the carrier bearing, this cross member, put the old drive shaft back together. It's unfortunate, when I sold it, you could eat off the frame, eat off the floor, but as you can see, time really hasn't been too kind. She is dirty. She's been used, but got a whole bunch of cleaning supplies and another video that will get this thing back into shape. But she's got good bones still. Be a nice project. So yeah, that's just a little channel update. What's in store and what's coming. Probably repower this one with a 3406B Cat. That A model's locked up. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Just wanted to give a little update, and see you guys later. Thanks.